What's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. Okay. Well, I mean, yesterday I mentioned something about Kodak Black, talking bad about Nipsey Hussle and stuff like that. May he rest in peace, you know. I know I made a vlog yesterday and stuff like that, but you know something? I'm still a little offended by what Kodak Black was saying, though. I mean, a lot of people was dissing him, you know. T.I., who else? Spice One was dissing him too, you know. And then what bothers me is about the Amigos too. Some Spice One said about the Amigos, you know, when they want to sweep the whole thing under the rug and stuff like that, you know, like old school and stuff like that. Like I said, old school rap is still the best though, you know. Bone Thugs and Harmony, Spice One, Curtis Blow, people like that, especially Houdini, you know. So never mind that though. I mean, I must say Kodak Black, I still say he was wrong for that though. You know, I don't understand Kodak Black. You know, I don't know him from the start, but I guess he showed his true colors. You know, I mean, by him talking about he want to date his girlfriend or whatnot. You know, after he gone and stuff like that. I mean, that's some bullshit right there. You know. I mean, what the hell he was thinking, talking like that, you know? Okay? I mean, I don't know what to say, though, okay? Well, 2 or 3 things to talk about, though. But let's start with Kodak Black, okay? I mean, on the serious side, though, I mean, when them folks open their mouth, it's like they put their foot in their mouth, you know? I mean, Kodak Black done put his foot in his mouth, you know. Whack 100 sound like he put his foot in his mouth, you know. Talking about Spice One smoking crack. I'm like, all my life I listened to Spice One, he never talked about doing nothing like that, you know. I mean, for somebody to call Spice One a crackhead, you know, I would defend Spice One, but Spice One got this though, you know. But like I said, I like Spice One. I'm a fan of him, you know. I have 5 of his albums, okay. 187 he wrote. What else? America's Nightmare. 1996, The Black Bossellini, and Immortalized, okay. I mean, my favorite album is America's Nightmare. I like that Strap on the Side song. Busters Can't See My Uzi Goes Bang. Yes, indeed. Yep. I also listen to Pac. You know what I'm saying? I mean, for some people to say they don't like this because it's old, you know. Let me say this, yo. We don't do that. We still listen to the old school rap, you know. I mean, my favorite song by Bone Thugs and Harmony is The First of the Month, you know. I mean, I used to always rap that. I used to know the song by heart, you know. I used to know that song by heart, you know what I'm saying? Long time ago, Bone Thugs and Harmony came out with First of the Month. I knew that song by heart, you know. I listened to that song in the day. And Randy TV, aka Truth the Gamer, well, formerly known as Truth the Gamer, his Facebook, I mean YouTube is Randy Wrestling, you know. You know, he said he only listened to the First of the Month only on the First of the Month, and he said that's an anthem. Bullshit to that, you know. But Kodak Black, Jesus Christ, man, he's a hot mess for that, you know. I mean, something's wrong with him, but I want to say this. Pardon me for stuttering, though. Okay, but I want to say don't down somebody after he deceased, you know. You know what I mean. And Funkmaster Flex said something about Pac. You know what I'm saying? Tupac. I mean, how the hell can you talk about a dead person? You know? Let me tell y'all something. My cousin killed his girlfriend and himself. I can't talk bad about him now. You know? That's over with and done. Not only that, I remember years ago when somebody made this video with Jigga. I ain't talking about Jay-Z, okay? I'm talking about this dude named Jigga, R.I.P. Jigga. You know, that dude Jarrell from New Orleans, from the St. Bernard Project, and you know, people are still commenting on him, saying F him, shut the F up and all that. I'm like, let me tell y'all something. I mean, that's wrong to talk bad about somebody, especially if they dead. You know what I'm saying? Just like one person years ago said something bad about Soulja Slim. You know? I mean, talked about Soulja Slim. I don't know why. You know? Soulja Slim is deceased. You know? But that was like, I ain't gonna say no names though. So somebody talked about him. I don't know who it was, but I know who it was, but I ain't saying no names. You know? You know, I mean, that's wrong to disrespect the dead. You know what I'm saying? That is really, really wrong to disrespect your elders and disrespect the dead. You know what I'm saying? I mean, let me tell y'all something. My grandmother been deceased for almost 3 years. You know, 2016 was when she passed. This is 2019. It's gonna make 3 years that she passed, you know, and now Monday is gonna make a year that my mama passed, you know. I'm gonna do a vlog on my mom's birthday after this, okay. So anyway, as I was saying, folks, I mean, I have no respect for him. I don't listen to his music or nothing, you know. And for somebody to murder Nipsey Hussle, I mean, they wrong for that, you know. God gonna take care of him, you know. My prayers go to his family, you know what I'm saying. I'm like, all I'm saying, God gonna take care of that person that took his life, you know. I mean, what the hell did Nipsey Hussle do to that person to want to take his life? I don't understand though. That hurts my nerves when somebody takes somebody's life just because they're doing something positive, you know. Yeah, Snoop Dogg was heard about it, you know. I mean, Snoop Dogg say that's fucked up, you know. Yep. I listen to Snoop Dogg, you know. I enjoy Snoop, you know. Awesome rapper, you know. Keeps it doggy style, you know. So, all right. And now, not a whack 100 though. I mean, for him to talk bad about Spice One and diss Spice One like that, you know, I'm like, what the hell is going on with him? You know, calling them a crackhead and stuff like that. Oh my God. I mean, why would he talk about Spice like that? You know, I'm like, I don't know what to say. Just like in 2008. When Soulja Boy disrespect Ice-T, you know, a lot of people was siding with Ice-T, especially MC, whatever his name was, that did that video, that interview with Spice One. You know, I forgot his name though. That he interviewed with Spice One. The revolution would not be televised. The revolution is now. Talking about that guy with the sunglasses, you know. But I'm gonna find out his name sooner or later, you know. I'm gonna find out what his name is though when I go to that video and watch it on YouTube, you know. I don't know what y'all watching me on. I don't know if y'all watching me on the Kindle, on the computer, on your TV, smart TV, PlayStation 3, PlayStation 4 or something like that, or Xbox 360 or whatever. I don't know what y'all watching me on, okay? And plus, I don't even know who watching this video. Spice One could be watching it right now. But with that part, I'm siding with Spice One. I'm not gonna side with Wack 100, you know, because sound like you're an evil person as far as that, you know. So sorry to talk about him like that, and I don't even know him, you know. But now I'm gonna keep his name out my mouth. Forget that, you know. But Spice One, he awesome though, you know. I ain't gonna call Whack 100 no names, you know. I ain't gonna do that though. So I'm like, so much to talk about. I mean, that is, I don't know what to say though. I mean, people talk out of their butts and stuff like that, and then when they get confronted, they wanna back off and stuff, you know. Alright? So my word to Kodak Black is you wrong for that, bruh. You is wrong for what you said, man. I mean, disrespecting Nipsey Hussle and he deceased, bruh. He wrong for that though. I mean that though. I mean, disrespecting a dead like that, that's wrong though. You could burn in hell for that. You could rot in hell for that, you know. You know, it's like they're making deals with Satan or something, you know. I don't know why, you know. So, as far as that though, God gonna deal with whoever destroyed. I mean, took his life, you know. I mean, all I know is Nipsey Hussle and do nobody wrong as far as I know. I don't even know Nipsey Hussle, you know. Never listened to his songs or nothing, you know. I don't know nothing about him, you know. I mean, all I heard was he was doing positive things. That's all I know. Okay, so anyway, and Tiario, I don't know if Tiario said something about Nipsey Hussle, but I'm find out about that, you know. All right, so I haven't watched Tiario videos in a while, you know. So on that note, Tiario, he speaks the truth sometimes though. He do. You know, but some things he speak the truth about, but not everything though. Okay, but all I know about Tiario, he trying to follow Christ. That's all he doing though. You know, some things he knows, some things he don't know, but I don't know everything myself. Okay, so I wonder if he mentioned something about Nipsey Hussle. You know, I wonder if he mentioned something about Kodak Black. You know, and I'm sure Tiario don't listen to Kodak Black. He don't like Kodak Black. You know, I already know he don't. You know, because he don't listen to because I don't think he listens to rap as far as I know. You know, so all right, that's it. Thank y'all for watching. All right, bye.